We're the Blair family and we're at Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World.
Let's go!
Do you know the big chair is the biggest chair in Queensland?
The kids had so much fun running around through the gardens, which are just huge. They cover more than 16 acres and there's just so much to see. There's waterfalls and ponds and a fairy garden that the kids enjoyed, and even a boat. It was amazing.
In most parts of the gardens you get a beautiful view of the glasshouse mountains like this.
As soon as we arrived, we saw lots of birds near the entrance, and they offered to let us hold them and even put them on our heads. It was so much fun.
My favourite bit was having the bird on my head. Then we got to walk through the aviary. There was 3 aviaries, one for the big birds that would probably land on you and stuff, and then one for the medium birds that like flew around you, and then one for the little ones that you just like got to look at. They were really cute. And my top tips are bring a bottle of water, a picnic, and take your jewellery off before you go into the aviaries because the cheeky birds like to steal it.
We've had a fantastic day out at Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World.
And we're sure to be coming back.